In front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 5. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's enter settings and go to passwords and security. Enter screen lock, and as you can see right here, we've got three types of screen locks: pattern, pin and password. Let's enter pattern. Set it. And let's use it to unlock the phone. Now, let's select PIN. And in the end, let's select password. Let's use it to unlock the tab. And now we can go to face unlock. Simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the tab. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.